Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna mainly focus on the interior, pulling apart the interior, trying to take out the airbags and everything. We did remove the windshield so it can be easier to get to the, well, for one we needed to anyways, but we needed to get to all these bolts and screws to remove this. I think it's gonna be easier to remove the whole dash with the windshield out of the car already. So yeah, we're gonna get started and we're gonna see how it goes. Try to remove the seat first right now, just to get more access to all the trimmings and everything. It's a little bit tight in here, not that much room to work with. The roof does not want to come down, so we will try to figure that out a little later, but right now we're just trying to focus on the interior. So we're just going to try to get the seat out. Hopefully the roof is not going to be in the way. We're probably going to leave the driver's seat right now. If it is going to give us any trouble, we will remove it. We're trying to figure out how to remove this glove department. As you can see, it doesn't open for some reason. Maybe something snapped here, but we're trying to remove it without, to see if we can get to here, remove it somehow. 4.5 hours later, we pretty much removed this whole interior right here. The two seats, the driver, passenger. The seats were easy to remove, but the rest, it was a pain to remove. As you can see, all these little plastics, little bolts everywhere. The bolts were hidden everywhere. It took us a while to remove everything without breaking, so we pretty much saved everything, all the clips. The dashboard, this is savable. We will restitch this entire dashboard, so we do not have to buy a new one. All the airbags will have to be changed. Those are the 3 airbags: the dashboard, the knee airbags. Steering wheel, we still did not remove. The glove department, we will have to change. As you can see, the locks, I guess, I don't know how, but it snapped, it broke off. Maybe somebody was trying to open it or something, but we will have to change this glove department. So that's pretty much the only thing with the airbags that we need to change on the interior. And as you can see, we pretty much pulled everything here besides the driver's carpet. Right here we pulled out the carpet because we will be working on this front end right here. The impact was on the front passenger, so as you can see, this skinny aluminum plate right here. Good thing is the frame is aluminum. We were told it was carbon fiber, which saves us about $60,000-$70,000 for the carbon fiber top. But the top starts from here, working backwards, in the back, in the middle. So the carbon, you cannot change it. If it's cracked, you have to buy a new one, and only dealer sells it. So it's around $60,000 around there. So we got lucky on that part. We had a frame guy come out. The same frame guy, he actually rebuilt TJ Hunt's Ferrari. He has the rebuild on YouTube. So he came out, and this whole area, we can buy this whole area, and this is changeable. So he will change this area. It's just pretty much a skinny aluminum plate which ripped it easy, since it's so skinny. You can see it ripped out all the rivets right here, and just pretty much just pushed inside the car. So this is going to be changed right here, all of it. Yeah, so pretty much that's it for today. It's around, like I mentioned, it's around 3 in the morning already. We were working the whole night. So for the next video, we'll probably try to focus on the roof, since the roof does not open, and we do not know. We're gonna have to figure out how to open this roof. So the car starts everything, but the roof does not open. Maybe it's disconnected, maybe there's some manual way to open it, but we will figure out, do some research. Maybe you guys can help us out in the comments who worked on these kind of cars before. But yeah, so we're done for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for the next video, until we're working step by step to complete this car. So thank you guys.